Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to fix a frosted over headlight. Well, we got it out on the road, and it's like taking a time machine back to 1999, pulling away from a Harley dealership on a brand new 1999 Road King. It's really surprising how fresh and new this thing still is. So what I'm going to do today, if you'll notice how dingy the globe is compared to these other seal beams, this is not really a seal beam. It's a globe with a halogen headlight back behind it, so moisture can get inside this globe. Just evaporated moisture can get in there. So the hard particles in the water, like iron and whatever else is in water, lime, rock, whatever's in there, whatever minerals that we drink, will evaporate and leave the residue on the globe. Well, today I'm going to pull the globe apart and show you how to clean it, and it'll look brand new, just like these. All right, hang tight. All right, now that we got the headlight out, we are going to pull the halogen bulb out of it. Since this has been in that bike for 25 years, some of this stuff's probably going to be stuck. But let's hope not. Nope. Comes right out. Okay, this is your removable halogen bulb. Most people know that, some people don't. But you do not want your fingers to touch the other side of this. The acids in your skin will cause a problem. So that just opens up. You can put this in a safe place. Let's just put it like that for right now. Now that leaves this globe completely open. So what we're going to do is, I just happen to have some trusty CLR, calcium, lime, and rust spray right here, which we will spray right inside there, just like that. All right. And we're going to let it sit. Might swirl it around a little bit. And so the magic part of this is we're going to go back to our good friend 4.0 steel wool, like that, and make a little ball out of it. And we're going to spray some CLR on it. And this is just a sort of a grabber type tool. Has the little 4 fingers on the end of it. We're going to put that down in there and flip it around so we can see what we're doing. And just clean the inside of it, just like that. There you go. And we'll let it sit for a minute. I'm not hitting that very hard, just barely even scratching the surface. But as you can see, it's pretty clear. So what I'll do now is go over here to the sink and rinse it out and see what it looks like. All right, that's a lot better. We're going to give it a second coat. So we'll just spray. This is just CLR. Get it anywhere, grocery store, dollar store, Walmart, wherever. It may take a couple of these. The 4.0 steel wool's not going to scratch the glass. I'm not putting that kind of pressure on it. Just kind of trying to break up what's in there as far as the calcium or the lime or whatever's in there from just from water or moisture over the years. All right, we rinsed it out again. So now this time I'm going to take some paper towels and go down in there and dry it up. Same situation. Just grab a paper towel Go down in there and dry it out. Get all the moisture out of it. Put a good fresh one on there now. Paper towels are cheap, so just go in there and get the moisture out. We're going to keep using these paper towels up until we know we got all the moisture out. It gets clearer and clearer. Okay. Now, can you tell the difference? I can. All right. Okay, lots cleaner. So let's go put it back on the bike. So here's the headlight reinstalled on the bike, and it makes a big difference. It looks fresh and clean and new and good and clear. So it's really easy to do. It just takes a little time and some CLR and some steel wool. You just got to make sure you get all the moisture out of it. So, as usual, I really appreciate you watching. If you like what I do, hit the subscribe button. If you don't, thanks for watching anyway, because I know you got this far in the video. I'm always here at the shop, usually. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to email me or call on the phone. If you're within 100 miles, come on by one day. You know, if you have something you want done, come on by and see the shop, talk to us. We're just regular dudes. So, I'm Steve Carr, and I'll talk to you later.